Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make coffee on a Keurig. First, select your preferred K-cup pod and insert it into the brewer. Next, make sure the water reservoir is filled with fresh water, ideally filtered, up to the maximum fill line. This ensures a clean and consistent taste. Finally, place your coffee mug on the drip tray, ready to catch your freshly brewed beverage. It's a simple process that delivers a great cup every time. Once your pod is in place and your mug is ready, it's time to brew. Most Keurig models offer various brew sizes, usually ranging from 6 to 12 ounces. Choose the size that best suits your preference for strength and volume. Then, simply press the brew button. The machine will heat the water and dispense your coffee. Be patient and wait for the cycle to finish completely before enjoying your hot drink. The beauty of a Keurig is the ability to customize your coffee experience. Don't be afraid to experiment with the vast array of K-cup flavors and roasts available, from light to dark. You can also adjust the brew size. A smaller size yields a stronger cup, while a larger one makes it milder. Feel free to add milk, cream, sugar, or your favorite flavorings to create your perfect personalized beverage. To keep your Keurig performing its best, regular cleaning is essential. Wipe down the exterior and wash the drip tray and water reservoir frequently. Additionally, descale your machine every 3 to 6 months to prevent mineral buildup, ensuring consistent coffee quality. This simple maintenance will extend the life of your brewer. Also, for those who love to read while sipping their coffee, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.